Hey you guys, welcome to Tamara TV. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Tamara and this is my lifestyle channel. And if you've been here before, then hey, what's up? It's good to see you guys again. So in today's video, I am doing an unboxing and initial review of this synthetic wig that I just got from my local beauty supply store. So if you're interested in seeing the video, please excuse them loud ass kids outside and stay tuned, and we'll get right into it after the intro. Okay you guys, so this is my first ever wig review, and I decided to start off with a synthetic wig because this one really caught my eye whenever I was at the beauty supply store today. The wig that I am reviewing today is by Macaron Girl or Color Balm. I actually don't even know. I never heard of this brand before. Oh, Outre. So it's an Outre wig, and it's the Color Balm and Macaron Girl. There's all types of stuff going on with it, but here is what it looks like. This is the box, and I'm just going to go ahead and take it straight out the package. So here's the packaging, and just straight out the box looking at it, I think you guys can see what attracted me to the wig, and that is the color. I'm not gonna lie, I don't really experiment with color much. This is like my first wig with bold, bright colors, and I wanted to start off with a synthetic wig in bold, bright colors because I just don't know how it fits me. But I mean, looking at this bad boy in the window, it was just so fire. Like, the color is just, it's really just giving me so much life. I can't even. But okay, so to give you guys details about it, first off, I'm noticing that it is pretty thin, and whenever I run my fingers through it, I can definitely see the tracks. So that's that, but I guess that's kind of expected with a synthetic wig. The color pattern is like a dark blue at the top, blended into like a lime green, and then a fiery red at the bottom. And the stock card, I'm going to show you guys really quickly. So it says Macaron Girl on the front, and it gives you two different examples of colors, and then on the back it gives you even more examples of colors. The wig I got is watermelon, but here is the stock card, and I hope it focuses, but it probably won't. Yeah, I don't think it's going to focus. But here is the front, and here is the back with all the different examples of the colors. So I'm just going to go ahead and remove the stock card. Okay, so I took off the stock card, and I also threw on a wig cap so I could go ahead and try it on. Before I do so, I want to show you guys the construction. So here is, and it's all over the place, but here is the construction. So it's kind of like a T part in a way. Doesn't really give you any details on the stock card. It just really tells you all the different color options, and that's kind of it that's in there. Okay, so it's premium synthetic fibers, selfie worthy styles, salon quality split dye colors, which I definitely agree with that, soft Swiss lace, L parting, and natural baby hair. So that's what it says on the actual packaging of it. But so it is a L part, and it is pretty deep. I would say it doesn't disclose if it's 4 or 6 inches, but it does look like it's pretty deep. There's one comb here in the back, and it does have the adjustable straps, and it is like ear to ear lace in the front. And I don't notice any baby hairs like it says, but I mean, we can most certainly go in and put our own baby hairs in. As for the hairline, there's literally like less than an inch of lace before the actual wig starts, so that's that. But I'm just going to go ahead and throw this on Okay, you guys, so I went off camera to get this wig together a little bit. Yeah, I had to like comb it and make sure that the part was down far enough. So just to review it as it's on, straight out of the box, I will say that this wig, like I said whenever I first took it out the box, it is very thin. Also, it has like this smell to it that smells so like it smells like baby doll hair. And honestly, it I mean, the texture of the hair isn't bad. It's shedding off rip, but it's not like a bad texture. It's workable. That's a thing. That's a word. I will say that the hairline, so let me see if I can focus this. So the hairline is definitely going to need some work. As you guys can see, there is no baby hairs like it said. But I mean, I do think that it has potential. I will also say that it does lay really flat, and I do like that, but it looks so thin, and that's what I don't like. I don't like the fact that it just looks so thin, but the color is really giving me life. Like, I am so, like, look at that. Look at how good it blends. Like, I feel like with a little bit of TLC, this wig can have some potential, but like straight out the box, So I'm going to show you guys the part. And I like that the part goes back really, really deep. I really do like that. But I don't know, it's just really, really wiggy. Like, I really have to do some finessing. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what it's like straight out the box. The shedding isn't too bad. I mean, as you guys seen, I did pull out a few strands, but it's not like nothing where it's like super drastic. But this color is really, yeah. So I'm gonna have to lay my hair down underneath, because you guys seen that my curls was popping in the beginning of the video. So I have to like get my natural hair to lay flat so that the wig can lay flat. But I can tell that this wig is going to lay flat just because it's really like hugging my head. I would say that this wig is big head friendly because I do have a big ass head, and it is hugging it very, very nicely. It feels nice and secure, like I'm tugging honey, and it is in place. So I'm going to go ahead off camera because I am not at the level yet to be editing and like doing alterations to wigs on camera. I'm going to go ahead and go off camera for a minute and try to finesse this wig in the best way that I can, and I will see you guys in the next clip as soon as I'm done. Okay, hey you guys, so I am back, and I just got finished customizing and installing the wig. So here is what we have, and I'm not sure if it's focused on, excuse me, if it's focused on me, but here is what the wig looks like. So it wasn't really hard to install, just to get it on. It was pretty simple, the same way that I do any of my other wigs. But I will say that I absolutely hate the hairline. Like, the hairline is just not it, and I really wish I could put baby hairs in it, but being as though there's like so little parting space like around the hairline, that just wasn't even an option. So I just really did the best that I can. I will say that this wig is definitely like a selfie worthy wig. It is definitely something that just looks cute for a hot minute, but like something to have for long term, something to like wear outside, this is a no for me. Like, it's definitely a no. After plucking it, it did start shedding a little bit more, but the shedding isn't super bad. I have had synthetic wigs that shed way much more than this wig. The tangling, I mean, I don't know. The tangling honestly isn't too bad either. I'm sure you guys can see me rubbing my hands through it, and you know, you can see like there are some nooks in it every now and again, but it's not that bad. I have had synthetic wigs that were way worse than this. So I mean, like, on a 5-star rating, I would definitely give this like maybe a 2. I give it a 2 because one, the color is beautiful. I mean, it's bright, it's bold, it's blended so pretty. Like, I love the color. 2, because the parting space, I love how far back the parting space goes. 3, just because it's not the worst. So I definitely would give it like 2 stars, but that's really all I can give it, just because the hairline is so terrible and customizing it was just hard to do. And it's just I don't know, like, I really had high hopes for this wig, like, just because the color is so bomb. But I don't think that it's super bad, you know, like, after installing it, I don't think that it's terrible. I think that I can get some bomb pictures out of it. And yeah, that's probably it. It's just so thin, and like, it's just so thin. Like, I don't like how thin it is. And then, like, you can't really do anything to it to make it like more voluptuous because it's a synthetic wig. So it's just like, what do, you know? So that is pretty much it for my unboxing and review of this wig. Unfortunately, there's no stock card that tells me the length of it. So I mean, I guess I would say that it's like a 22-inch. To show you guys length reference, it comes down to my back. So I'd say maybe 22 inches. I don't know, from the front it looks 22, but from the back it looks 24. So I honestly don't know. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the wig, you guys. So let me know what you guys think about the wig. I've been doing all this talking about what I think about the wig. I haven't even stopped to ask you guys what you think. So let me know down in the comments below what you think about the wig. Like, now that it's finished, do you like it? Is it popping? Do they need a little bit more work on it? Just to give you guys reference, the wig was $37.99. And that's really what made me get it. Usually whenever I go to the hair stores, they're charging like $60 or $70 for a wig like this. So that price range was definitely in my budget, so that was cool. But I mean, yeah, that's pretty much it. Okay, now I'm done rambling. I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching the video. This is the end of the unboxing and review. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, feel free to turn on the post notifications so you can get notified whenever I post my next video. I post videos every Tuesday and Thursday, so you can look forward to seeing me then. And with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and take some pictures in my selfie worthy wig. I'll see you guys in the next video. Ciao for now. Hold up, you guys. So I'm sitting here taking pictures for my thumbnail, and I just want to say this wig is literally made to take pictures in. Like, it looks so good in my selfies. It's like weird, okay? Like, I know, like, y'all see me through the video and how I was feeling about this wig, but I mean, like, in pictures, this is bomb, okay? All right, that's all I wanted to say. Ciao for now.